A sound technician is responsible for setting up, operating, and maintaining sound equipment in various events and productions. They ensure high-quality sound through the use of different types of sound equipment, technical knowledge, and troubleshooting skills. Apart from formal education, acquiring practical experience in the industry is vital. You can gain this through internships, apprenticeships, or entry-level jobs at recording studios, radio stations, or other audio production facilities. It's important to stay current with emerging trends, attend industry workshops, and experiment with new software and hardware as they become available. Being organized, self-motivated, and resourceful, technology and problem-solving skills, good communication, and attention to detail, remaining calm under pressure, having good stamina, resilience and adaptability, creative and innovative thinking. The UK average salary of £16,000 to £35,000 varies based on your experience, production size, type, and company. Useful subjects include audio engineering, broadcasting, computer science, electronics, English, maths, music technology, physics. Select, position, adjust and operate sound equipment, such as booms and microphones. Post-production, balancing, mixing, editing, and enhancing pre-recorded audio. Monitor audio signals to detect sound quality deviations or malfunctions. Maintain and repair sound equipment. Related careers include boom operator, dubbing mixer, sound engineer, production sound mixer, radio producer, sound designer, studio manager,